Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream. Please like and share and subscribe the Mechanical Stream. In this video, we are going to watch that how we can get the free certificate in logistic and warehouse management. Before that, if you have not watched my previous videos on how we can get the free Six Sigma White Belt certificate, free supply chain management certificate, and free project management certificate, please watch and get the certificates. The link of it I have provided in the description box and also on the I button. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. For that, we have to write the first TCS ion, and we have to click on this link. This link I will provide it in the description box so you can easily access it. The window of TCS ion is now loading. Here you can see the logo of the Tata on the top right corner. We have go to the business and management section. On the left side you can see the price section, in which we have to select the free courses. Then we have go to the page number 3. Here you can see the basics of logistic fleet and warehouse management course. We have to click on it. Here you can see the price of this course is 1150 rupees, but it is absolutely free now. And the duration of this course is 1 week, and the commitment is 1.5 hours, and this course is available in English language. After completion of this course, you will understand the overview of the logistic and fleet management and warehouse management, and useful terms used in logistic fleet and warehouse management. Here you can see the logistic is the backbone on which supply chains are driven, and its management helps deliver goods as per customer demands. Business benefit from an efficient logistic fleet and warehouse management as they help improve efficiency, productivity, and reduce cost of your company. So logistic is a very important part. Here you can see the it consists of a total 3 modules. The first module is concept of logistic management. Second module is a concept of fleet management, and third module is a concept of warehouse management. Also, you can see the in the prerequisite section, basic knowledge of the English language is the only requirement. After completion of this course and passing the MCQ based examination, you will able to learn the certificates. I will show you how the certificate looks like. Here you can see the certificates. It consists of a TCS logo, and your name will be printed on the certificates, and it consists of a start date and end date. Also, what types of topics covered in this course, like a concept of logistic management and fleet management and warehouse management. Also, you will get your certificate ID, and also it is authorized by head of the TCS Ion Digital Learning Hub. So, this type of certificate you will get. For enrolling in the courses, you have to click on the subscribe button. Then you have to create your account by clicking on the create account icon. Now you have to enter your full name, email ID, password, confirm password, and phone number, and are you minor or not. So this type of details you will provide. After completion of this ID part, the course will edit into your dashboard of the account, from where you can easily access it. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.